Hi Westside, I'm Pastor Dan, and I'm here to tell you that your work in South Africa is reaching thousands of kids. And we are so excited. We've been here on the ground for the last 10 days and have seen amazing movements of God through our mamas, through our leaders, our Westside missionaries, and the partners, the folks that live here that we support, that love these kids one at a time every single day. And I cannot tell you how moved my heart is to see what you are doing. Your generosity has made huge differences in these kids' lives. We know their names, we know where they live, and we are helping them have a future. And we can tell the difference between the towns where we go, where we're not present, and the ones where we are present. There's a light, and you have been the light of Christ that has shined in these children's lives. I'm so proud of you, Westside, and I want you to be encouraged. Our team is planting a church in Port Elizabeth, and we are so proud of them. They're doing a great job. Our teams are here. They're plowing the hard, dry ground in Port Elizabeth, that ground that is an obstacle to faith here. And I just wanted to give you this message to encourage you. Thank you to those of you who have gotten all in, who have just broken through and given generously to help us. We are so grateful for your work and so grateful for your generosity. For those of you who have given for the first time, we're most encouraged that God has had a breakthrough in your life, and He is moving in your heart, and He is opening you up, and you're going to see amazing things that God will do. And to those of you who are still praying, still struggling, and looking for that breakthrough to be part of All In, I just have this encouragement to you. Please don't miss this opportunity. In the next couple years, we are going to look and tell stories and talk about what God is doing all over the world through Westside Family Church. And we desperately want you to be a part of that. Please don't miss that blessing. Join us and get all in. We love you, Westside. Can't believe what you're doing around the world in India, in Thailand, in South Africa, in Kansas City. We're going to reach 1,000 new families to make Jesus Christ the center.